Okay, this is question number 8. The circle H shown in the diagram has a diameter with endpoints -2, -3 and 4, 7. So a diameter, endpoints -2, -3 and 4, 7, and of course if this is the diameter, the midpoint in here in the middle between these two endpoints will give us the center, and that's what we've got to do. To find the center of H, we've got to use the midpoint formula between these 2 points here. So let's have a go at that first of all. Part 1. And part 1 here says find the center of a circle. We have a diameter, so we're going to use the midpoint formula to find the center. So here's the 2 points at the end of the diameter. -2, -3, 4, 7. They could be interchanged. You could have 4, 7 first and -2, -3. But there's your formula for the midpoint. Not going to waste any time on that. And plugging in here, x1 is -2. Of course, brackets if you've got negative numbers. And x2 is 4. And then you've got y1 is -3. And y2 is 7. So now when we progress forward with that, I mean at this stage you can get your calculator here, but 1 by -2 is -2. That's +4, and 1 by -3 is -3. Your calculator will work these out for you fairly quickly. Like for example, just to use the calculator and see the power of it here, -2 plus 4 over 2, -2 plus 4 divided by 2, and you're going to get an answer of 1. And you've also got -3 here, and it's +7, sorry, not divide, +7 divided by 2, and again that's a straightforward 2. So there is your center of the circle. So there the center is 1, 2, and that's part 1. Part 2 now, I've already moved ahead here and preempted this. So we now have the center of the circle. So we have the center, and to find the radius, you're basically going to calculate the distance from the center to one of the points. Going to calculate the distance from the center to one of the points. I'm going to pick 4, 7 because there's no negative numbers in it, and it's going to be easier to work with. You could pick this point if you want, but you'll have a little bit more difficulty getting out your answer. So center 1, 2, I'm going to pick the point 4, 7, and I'm going to use the distance formula here to allow me to get the radius. So doing that, filling in again, x2 is 4, x1 is 1, y2 is 7, y1 is 2, and when we tidy this up we're going to get 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 squared is 9, 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 squared is 25, square root of 35 and 4, square root of 34. Square root of 34 there I'm getting, and that is our radius length. So our radius length is square root of 34. Now a slight mistake here in this next page. We have to find the equation of the circle, and it's square root of 34. So our center is 1, 2. Our formula is x minus h to be squared plus y minus k to be squared is equal to r squared. When we plug in all of this stuff here, we're going to get x minus y minus equal to r squared. So plugging it in, x minus 1, y minus 2, all positive, no worries, and square root of 34. And our full answer there then is going to turn out to be x minus 1 to be squared, y minus 2 to be squared is equal to 34. And that is the equation of this circle here in question 8. That is x minus 1 to be squared plus y minus 2 to be squared is equal to 34.